With the influx of visitors, Yosemite has changed over the years. In 2021 alone, the park saw nearly 3.3 million visitors. With that many visitors, park resources and scenery need to be preserved, as well as restored. One notable place, the Pohono Pullouts, a series of pullouts that are often one of the first places visitors stop at when entering the valley from the west, are a shaded area with easy river access. Over the years, visitors have made their own trails to the area, trampling native plants and compacting soil. Yosemite has adopted the restoration of historic scenery to allow visitors to enjoy the park as it was decades ago. A compromise must be made to allow visitors to continue to enjoy the area. To remedy this problem, the Park Service has fenced off the area and created identifiable trails with educational signage to allow visitors to continue to access the river while simultaneously allowing native brush to regrow. WGR was fortunate to be able to volunteer with the Park Service during the replanting stage of this area. One of the rangers, Ken, filled us in on the project.
I am a biological science technician with the Yosemite National Park. So today we are planting here at the Pohono Pullouts, which is kind of a parking area. Likely one of the first places people park when they enter into Yosemite, and we're planting here to restore a site that we recently worked on. So we decompacted a bunch of soil, and so as you can see, there's some bare ground here that was part of the restoration. We're planting in order to restore and create a native habitat with plants that are originally in Yosemite National Park. The damage originally will be caused by human impact from visitors. So this area, the site, there's been a lot of walking and people just walking on the ground at constant, every day. If it compounds, the soil is going to get compacted too. So we tried to create this path for people to walk on instead of trampling the whole area. Plants here are adapted to more dry areas. As you can see, this slope is more dry, and I guess cool things about these plants, the seeds were collected in the park, and the seedlings were grown outside the park, but they're plants that started here, and so we gave them a kind of a head start at a nursery, and they're being planted back, kind of returning to their home. The riverbank here is kind of a nice beach, and hopefully with the restoration and creation of an actual path, it won't be as disturbed and it will look more natural in the future, especially after these plantings. I think the plants will hopefully do well within the next 1 or 2 years.
Thanks to the Park Service and people like Ken, Yosemite will continue to be preserved and appear natural for generations to come. This project gave us at WGR a new appreciation of what goes on behind the scenes to keep a place, especially as Yosemite, looking pristine for generations to come.